particular judgment 2. Does the last judgment take place in the passage of death? The last judgment and the individual judgment, do they occur in the passage of death? To realize the unity of all these actions, pay Salvi 47, Pope Benedict XVI's encyclical on hope. Obviously, what he says, he has not yet become a dogma of the faith, but his very deep gaze presents something for the Church to ponder. He says this: the appearance of Christ is the act of judgment, and this appearance occurs in the passage which is not measured in earthly chronological time. This is the passage from the death to life. On the other hand, when we know, according to a dogma of the Middle Ages, according to Pope Benedict XII, the constitution benedictus deus, that immediately after death any man who had not been in the state of grace went immediately taken to hell to undergo various penalties. This infers, in fact, that all this occurs in the passage of death. And in this passage, with the appearance of Christ, which corresponds to the third purgatory, the soul is pronounced definitively in all lucidity, in total control of herself, so that after this passage crossing after death in the biblical sense, the soul will not alter, it will not change. This is therefore where individual judgment takes place. This has been ratified, and the soul adheres to its choice for eternity. We see to what extent the affirmation of the fact that death is a passage or crossing, and that it is not defined according to the scientific term as the simple heart failure, or in philosophical terms as the simple separation in an instant of the soul and of the body. To what extent this is an essential theological key. Death in the Bible context is referred to as the Sheol or the adheres. It is even sometimes decreed as a state where the grandiose light appears. It was a very simple little point of theology, but thanks to this, everything becomes coherent.